is the first birthday party Gary has ever been to, and he was a little bit nervous, but also excited. He arrived at exactly 8 o'clock. And Gary recognised that most of the people were from his class. First, everyone sat down to eat tea. James had a cake in the size of a football. Oh no, in the shape of a football. Everyone sang Happy Birthday. And Gary ate 12 sausage rolls and 3 cups of cola. Oh. His mum didn't let him drink cola at home. She reckoned it gave me bad teeth.